Create a square file. My file is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Go to View, Guides, New Guide Layout. Create 2 columns and 2 rows. The gutter should be 0 pixels. Select the pen tool. Select Shape. Select No Color for the stroke. Select Gradient for the fill. Create or select a gradient with 2 colors. Select Linear as the style. The angle should be 90 degrees. Create a shape like this. Right-click on the shape layer and select Rasterize Layer. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the shape layer. Then press Ctrl+T. Place this shape above the other shape. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the shape again. Then press Ctrl+T. Place this shape below the other shape. Select all the shape layers. Right-click on them and select Merge Layers. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the shape layer. Then press Ctrl+T. Right-click on the shape and select Flip Vertical. Place this shape next to the other shape. Go to Edit. Define Pattern. Create a pattern layer. Select the pattern you just made. Then adjust the scale. And that's how you create a gradient chevron pattern.